The puff is cute. It's giving big body puff. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl, RaShon. Listen, come on in, have a seat, quickly, come on. Today's video is brought to you by Xrsbeauty. They sent me another unit to review for you guys. Now, before we get into the wash, the install, and the slay of this week, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this one in the future. Let's go. Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from Xrsbeauty. All the specs for my unit right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out, you can. This is a tight curly wig, but y'all see that I went in and washed it because, woo, those curls were tight, okay? They were real tight, but now the hair is very full, very bushy. The curls are a lot looser, but I can tell they're gonna come together really nicely when I go in and use my mousse. I'm pretty sure I got the 100, no, I didn't. Look at me about to lie. I'm pretty sure I got the 200, okay? That 200% density, so this should be very full. Xrsbeauty usually gives you what they say they're gonna give you, okay? A pre-plucked hairline, a clean hairline, 200% density, 180 if they got it, the tight curl pattern, the bleach knots, all that. I have the elastic band here. It comes in the pack, so make sure you get this because it does come with the elastic band straps already attached to the wig. So Xrsbeauty, make sure you giving people, well, you know, the elastic bands, okay? Put it together. Now this wig did have a chemical smell with it. It wasn't super strong, but it was in there, and even after washing it and soaking it with my dish soap, it still has a slight smell in it. So I am going to spray it down with some dry shampoo for a quick little home bath, okay? Because I want to get that smell out. I can't have that smell around my face. It's still a little wet, but that's okay. She is snug as a rug. Well, snug as a bug. I don't know what it is. It's something. All right, so with this, see how it's loose around my ear? I may need to spray this wig down, but we're gonna see once I cut the lace off. This is how it's looking on my hairline. Not bad at all. I am noticing though that my baby hairs are straight, which I'm not really understanding that because this is a curly wig. Okay, I don't want straight baby hairs. I don't know if that was on accident or if they straightened that out because they thought it would be easier to kind of, you know, get it together. Baby one curly. Okay, baby one curly. But the texture is looking good. The hair is nice and full. And yeah, I'm here for this. So let me go ahead and just spray her down real quick. Pow! Right here. Dry shampoo real quick. It's a little taste. That was more than the taste, but there we go. There we go. I don't gotta wet her down because she's still a little damp, so I can just work her in. Work it out. I think I've said it before about Xrsbeauty. These wigs are pretty expensive, so I would think that the elastic band would give me, you know, more of expensive taste. I feel like these are the cheaper ones. I don't know. It may not be. I don't know. They come loose really quickly, so I want it to be a little bit more secure than that. You know, go ahead and follow through with the extras, okay? Make it, you know, from top to bottom, top quality. But yeah, let's go ahead and cut off this lace real quick. I am not going to tint it just yet. Come on, get back. Golly. Let me just get right up in here like this. There we go. There we go. Follow that shape of my ear. My hairline on this is a little, I mean, I feel like I can cut it back. I can cut back into the hairline just a little bit, because I don't need that much. So I'm just gonna pull that down right here, and I'm gonna cut this off with the lace. Be careful not to cut too far into the hairline. That looks fine. I'm gonna cut the rest of this lace off. I wasn't gonna spray her down, but I think I want to. Put my glasses on so I can make sure I can see what I'm doing. I'm gonna use my Ebin spray, okay, right on top of here. Just like that. All right, press that on in. Blow dry it cool. Before I wrap her, I'm gonna look at this side over here, because this side is not looking as pre-plucked as I need her to be. So I'm gonna pull some of that hair out, because she a little bit too thick right there. Now XRSBeauty, I shouldn't have to do this. I don't think I cut off too much lace, because it's obviously fitting around my head just fine. This side is okay, but this side was a little thicky. Let me clip it in the back so I can wrap it down. Now XRSBeauty, where my band? Y'all know I like the bands. It's cool, it's cool. Wrap it down. That'll do, that'll do. Now time for some action. Now time for some mousse, okay? Some mousse on my hair. Do I want a side part? Or do I want a middle part? I do like my middle parts, so I think I'm gonna do a middle part. All right, so I got my mousse, okay, my Nairobi mousse, and my Felicia Leatherwood brush. I'm gonna do it in 4 sections, because this hair is thick, like I said, so I can't do it in just 2. I detangled most of it already during the co-wash, so it should be fairly easy. Uh-oh, wait a minute. Now, why would you do that? Don't be embarrassing me. Mousse all over the hair. Get them curls popping. Work your way from the bottom to the top. Started from the bottom, now we're here. Yeah. You may have some tangling. You may have some shedding in this wig while you're going through and getting the curls together. I had a little bit more when I was doing the co-wash, because obviously the hair was a lot tighter, so you know I had to work that on through. Ooh, those pop right in there like that. I like that, I like that. I do want my ends to be clumped, so let me just work on some of those. I got that feeling, oh yeah. The roots are a little straight, but I'm hoping that they'll kind of pop with this mousse a little bit. I don't like this nozzle, Nairobi. This nozzle is it's not easy to pump it, okay? I mean, I'm trying to pump it. Like, come on, pump. I'm trying, god dang. The texture of this hair is not, it's not kinky curly, but it does have a little bit of texture in it. So it's kind of like an in-between of a silky and a textured wig. That's what I feel like this is. But not as loose as a Jerry curly. I know it's a lot. Y'all know y'all like, what, girl? So, you know, it's cute, but it's a cute little look. Y'all see how that brush clumped those curls like that? Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Uh-huh. I want to comb some of these through a little bit, because I don't want it to be flat. It's not the look that I'm looking for. Twist the hair around my roots a little bit. Make sure I get some lift. Twist it around your finger. Work it down to the ends. Those are a little too frizzy for me. I don't want that. Clump it together. Use your fingers or your brush. Just make sure it's clumped together though. Because if they're wet frizzy, they're gonna dry frizzy. You don't want that, okay? Clump them as much as possible. You may have to trim some of the ends. Y'all know I get to slicing and dicing real quick. Cut it, cut it off. Okay, before and after. You see that? Okay. Okay, so I'm going to diffuse the hair, do my makeup, and then we will come back, fluff this hair out together, and see what we're working with. Okay. Okay, so I mostly dried down, but the hair is still a little damp around the sides and the back, but we're gonna get that together in just a second. First, let me take off this elastic band. Hold up, it's kind of stuck, okay? See what we're working with? I can't see, hold up. Hold up, wait a minute. Okay, okay. Let me put my glasses on top of the lace. I don't get any extra lift in. So that is how we're looking sprayed down. I think that's looking pretty good. I'm gonna leave that front just like that. And this side is pretty nice. This one is a little bunchy. Let me just take my glasses off. All right, break it up, break it up. I don't really care about a defined part, but I do want to fluff this hair up really big. So let me get my pick from the root. Just a little fluffing. Go under like so. Ooh, this is pretty. Keep picking. Y'all see that? Okay, picked, not picked. There are some layers in this wig, so it'll give you that shape around your face, so you don't gotta worry about it being one length if you don't like that. I don't mind one length sometimes, depending on the curl, but for like my big curly wigs, I like it to have some shape around my face. You wanna scrunch it up. Ooh, wait a minute, I'm about to knock my glasses off my face. Sheesh. And scrunch, and scrunch. Keep on scrunching. Why do I sound like Gary from Superstore? Amy. I used to love that show. Shake it out. Ooh, it's a lot of hair. So now I'm gonna blow dry the hair on high and warm. Just kind of break it up a little bit and bush up the hair just a little bit, okay? All right, shake it on up. Still a little wet in some areas. Not too worried about that. Again, 200% density is gonna give you a bush, okay? It's gonna give you the bush. Yes, ma'am. Let me change out my earrings. Use a little bit of my excess foundation around the hairline just to blend those edges in. Juicy, juicy. Mwah. Okay, y'all, so how we sitting? How we sitting? We sitting cute. If you get a wig that's supposed to be 200% density, it better look like this. This is a lot of hair. Now, I have done big curly hair before, and it's looked like this, but it did not feel like this, meaning I can feel the heaviness, okay? I can feel the weight in the hair. This is a lot of hair, but y'all know me. If this is too much hair for you, I believe they have a 180, so you know, check that out. Now the only preference that I would say that I need for XRSBeauty to, you know, work on is the side hairline, okay? The hairline on this side was okay. I'm not mad at that. But this side, y'all saw I had to do a little work, okay? The hairline across the front, perfection. But them sides, make sure you get the sides too. Don't give us all this and not this. Even if my sides are down, I still want it for the price, okay? For the price point, I need it. Before I go, I just want to show you guys this hair really quick. This is after an hour, okay? 1 hour of it still drying down and me playing in it and fluffing it up and doing all that kind of stuff. It's getting bigger and bigger. Woo, child, this is a lot of hair, okay? This is a lot of hair, but I love it, okay? I love it for me. Again, if you don't like big hair, don't fluff it up as much as I'm doing. Don't fluff it, don't pick it, don't do none of that, okay? But if you want big hair like this, it can do it. Oh, this is cute. This is cute. So I do like a little upstyle situation, like a cute little ponytail. Oh, I can definitely do that. I want to put it up in a ponytail. Wait a minute. Get it on up like that. All right, let's see if I can get it how I want it. Like this. And then one more time. Hold up. Hold up. Don't fail me now. Let me spray this back down right here because she popping up. It's okay. We're gonna get it. We're gonna work it out. Bring some of that hair down. Hide that lace a little bit. There we go. Bring it down. Bring it down. Okay. Bring that like this. Bring this over my ear like that. And come down a little bit. Here we go. Here we go. Ooh, this is cute. I think we got her together, y'all. Ooh, it's a lot of hair, but I don't care. She cute, okay? She is a cute look. Up close and personal. Hello. Again, this is not kinky curly because of how, you know, how straight this is, but whatever texture this is on this hair, I like it. Oh, hold up, one more. Yeah, know how to do a ponytail. Okay, I'm so mad that I didn't show y'all how to do this. It was an accident, but I just took the hair that I already had down, you know, from the other ponytail. The other ponytail is still in there, but I took one of my elastic bands, these little joints right here, and all I did was pull the hair up and then take this joint and wrap it like this, and then wrap it around there and Velcro it, and then the excess, you know, it's just tucked under here like that. That's it. Okay, that's all I did to make this ponytail. So I already had the front ponytail from the half up, half down. I just pulled the back up and added it to that using that elastic band. And y'all, talk about flat. Okay, let me turn around so y'all can see how flat I'm talking about. I used my bobby pin trick on the back. See, bobby pin. Okay, look. Okay, bobby pin. Just pulled the hair down and I just bobby pinned it back to my nape like this. Stick that bobby pin back in there. There you go. Ooh-wee. I guess the straight roots help a little bit, cause yeah, this joint is flat. I don't know how it look back there. I hope it look good, but listen, this looks like me. Okay, when I say me, I mean all me. The puff is cute. It's giving big body puff. I can't even put my whole head in the frame because it's so big, but yeah. If you haven't called Daddy Papa all year, it may be time. Ring, ring. Shout out one more time to Xrsbeauty for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link, my specs, and any coupon codes I have for this unit down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.